In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. When the heaven is cleft asunder, when the planets are dispersed, when the seas are poured forth, and the sepulchres are overturned, a soul will know what it hath sent before it and what left behind. O man, what hath made thee careless concerning thy Lord, the Bountiful, who created thee, then fashioned, then proportioned thee? Into whatsoever form he will, he casteth thee. Nay, but ye deny the judgment. Lo, there are above you guardians, generous and recording, who know all that ye do. Lo, the righteous verily will be in delight, and lo, the wicked verily will be in hell. They will burn therein on the day of judgment, and will not be absent thence. Ah, what will convey unto thee what the day of judgment is? Again, what will convey unto thee what the day of judgment is? A day on which no soul hath bar at all for any other soul. The absolute command on that day is Allah's.
تذكر يوما كنت تعانق دمعة الفكر، تناجي الله في صبر وترجو رحمة تسري.